Ever wondered who really makes decisions in your building? Hi, I'm Talia, proudly representing Strata Guide, here to make Strata simple. The Strata Committee plays a key role in managing your building. They represent owners and handle day-to-day decisions like arranging repairs, managing service providers, reviewing budgets, and helping enforce bylaws. They also work closely with the Strata manager to keep operations running smoothly. Most decisions are made during committee meetings through voting, and must follow legal requirements and the building's rules. For bigger matters like major spending or changes, these are usually taken to a general meeting where all owners can vote. Quick tip: stay informed by attending meetings or checking updates. Know how decisions affect you. Follow Strata Guide for more simple, expert Strata insights. Message us today to